Hello everyone, welcome back to TechShams. Is your Samsung phone's battery draining too fast? In this video, I will show you 5 settings you can turn off to help improve your battery life. So let's get started. Number 1. Turn off nearby device scanning. Open your setting app, then search for connections, tap on it, and here tap on more connection setting. Here, just simply turn off nearby device scanning. This stops your phone from constantly searching for nearby devices in the background. Number 2 is turn off usage and diagnostic. Again, go to your setting, search for Google. Here, tap on all services. Here, scroll down a little bit and tap on usage and diagnostics. Just simply turn this option off. Number 2 is to turn off RAM Plus. Again, open your setting. Here, select device curve, find it, and tap it. And here, choose memory. Here, tap on RAM Plus and simply turn it off. On some phones, this can help reduce battery usage. And number 4 is turn off Wi-Fi and Bluetooth scanning. To turn this off, go to your setting again, search for locations, tap on it, and here tap on location services. Here you will see Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. So turn both of them off, and this prevents your phone from scanning for nearby signals in the background. And number 5 and the last one is turn off switch to mobile data. To turn this off, go to your setting. Here tap on connections and choose Wi-Fi, and tap that three dot menu, then tap on intelligent Wi-Fi. Turn off switch to mobile data. For me, I don't have these options because I don't have any SIM card in my phone right now, but you should turn this off because this can help reduce unnecessary battery drain. And that's it. These simple settings can help your Samsung phone last longer on a single charge. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to TechShams for more helpful Samsung tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.